हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैं हूं मिस्टर ज़ीशान टुडे I focus on top EDM X600 controller machine. It is a Chinese machine. It has one great function. In this machine is totally different to other machines. The function of machine is that an electrode created by the chip who wants to require that. In this machine, we learn something about that. Firstly, I brief about the machine first. So, it has many parts. On the left side, we find it is a controller. The controller function is to control the machine. It has also many parts. Controller usually takes the power from that port that is called AVR. And also that machine is very handsome looking. I use word handsome. Why I used handsome word? Because this machine is done a great work. There are many parts. I tell you about that part. That part is called tank. That is oil tank. Oil tank is fill up many parts. The first part is the compressor of oil. The compressor function is to circulate the oil from machine work table to tank and tank to machine. When I define the oil tank, I tell about that tank is the memory of oil. We store the oil. In this machine, the maximum limit of oil is 610. When I define it is three-axis machine. X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. It has in this machine the spin out is not done. In this machine we use electrode. Which shape you can design. Electrode are many kinds. It's required on your depend. In this machine, the electrode with two holders up and down, but not move X and Y axis. In this machine, the table of machine move the X minus X axis and Y minus X. The controller is looking very fantastic. It has many parts, so many accessories. Most accessories, important accessories, of attachment of ampere meter, voltmeter, and also emergency switch meter. In down motion, we see keyboard panel which operate adding the program, editing the program, input the program, delete the program, have many functions. That is CRT. CRT is a function. CRT have many functions. Your axis dimension show that. Left remain time timer 12 times used. Down your program menu. In left telling she show that the voltage of machine of doing work. That is a simulation part. The function of simulation part is usually see how work done by machine. What is the working of machine? And down is sense arc on of position, and left is parameter setting. You set the left down. That is the handle of machine. It is also called MPG. Handle operates only jog move. And have many buttons here. You see that. The handle function are many used to jog mode in manual position, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis also. Setting the parameters, edge finding here, and many buttons here. The working of top EDM machine is usually that. Top EDM machine usually flow the current. EDM. Working of EDM machine is very important. It is only depend on your current rate. How to make your current, how to make your voltage, how to make it depends on your workspace position, workspace material, and your required setting. Top EDM machine is also done many work. Holing, deep holing, side cutting, internal cutting. It is a basic machine using to punching the product. Top EDM. Any more question of any candidate? Yeah. Top EDM is also for many materials. In the machine panel, we use voltage. Yeah, depend on your electrode. When I use electrode copper, we use electrode copper material. Also steel, also many other alloys. But usually electrode uses copper material. Any more questions? Basically, difference of CNC, EDM and CNC machine center about controller and memory data. We can operate only manual position. We enter the values in input panels. Not we are not just a program to input that machine because that is short program and the time is money, you know. But when I firstly I doing design, operating, and inputting a program, it takes a lot of time. But our program is small. If our program is then bigger, then I will do something there. But our program is short, therefore I input the data on the keyboard on the panel, that panel of top EDM. Yeah. Then I have also tried about that. Reading of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And also simulation part. You see here, some your electrode is point here. Your electrode is here. You see here electrode movement of machine. Yeah. It is rotates anti-clockwise. You know, sometimes he rotates the anti-clockwise, but sometimes he rotates clockwise. You see here, it is clockwise. Any more questions? So thank you. I hope I will you understand my lecture. If you see any problem and any case, you note my address, email address, and contact number. My email address is shanzi35@yahoo.com, and also my ID is 0321607866. 0321607866 is my cell phone number. If you see any problem, any field of EDM, CNC machine, contact with me. Okay, thanks. Allah Hafiz.